So yes guys, today I'm gonna try to install these alloyed on my car. As you can see, the missus caused all these spots. So I'm gonna try. This is me DIYing. I'm not a professional. So bear with me as we go along. It's my first try. First we're gonna release some pressure from the tires. Actually all the pressure from the tire. Actually first we're gonna use this to make sure that it doesn't pass this line. As you can see, this line on the rim here, let's make it pass. So we're gonna test it, make sure it's okay. And it's, yeah, it's a thumbs up. And now I'm gonna release the pressure from air using a valve remover. Make sure not to lose this. This is the valve that goes back inside. Okay. Then we're gonna make sure the wheel is at the middle, which is where the valve cap is, and we're gonna start putting the alloy in from. Actually, this is the starting point. All right. Then we're gonna use this rubber mallet to tap it in. Sorry. First of all, we need to spray some soapy liquid around the rim. Make sure it's soft and it's smooth so it can get in. So this is what we're gonna spray some. This is not what inside. This is, I put some soap water inside to spray. Hopefully it work. Otherwise I have to buy new. I have to take these rims to the wheel shop to have them organized differently, and I'm trying to save. So let's see what's going on with them here now. These rims are actually 20-inch, so we're gonna cut this at 20. Not as yet. We're gonna try tap it in as first and then try. Okay, back to the middle. My bad. I had already installed these clips. Them clips normally go in. It comes in the box. So these are the Gators clips you have to put inside. I don't know if you can see them. These clips go into to reinforce the strength in the when you put it in. So you're gonna put these clips right around till where you see the mark where you actually need, which is the size of the rim. So this is 20. So here is 19, and this is 20 here, 21. Actually for 24-inch the max, but this is 20, so this is why I stopped. But you're gonna put them all around until you reach the point where you need. All right. Okay. So yeah, we are back where we started at the middle. This is where this PVC cutter comes in, where you cut a few inches away from where it's joined, and then you join it there. And there's another step, but be along. Like I said, it's my first time, so it seems to be working fine. Let me get some other stuff that meant to. There's a bonding glue at the end, so let's see where we can cut this bit now. I don't think it's joined properly. I don't know if the lip is going under or if it's going in, because the joining is here, but the lip, I'm not sure if it's going under the lip or in the lip. So I need to do my research properly and try again. So yeah, just bear with me. So yeah, I figured it out now. So the glue, so the sorry, the joining bit goes under the lip that is hangover. When you join it, it goes under this bit. Don't know if you can see it. This bit, which where you start and where you finish. The one that finish going under the lip that you started with. I mistakenly put it inside. I put it over, sorry. Now we're gonna use this glue that comes with it to put under. That's where you put that to join it, to hold it. I don't know if it's gonna work. Let's see. What kind of glue? It's just a little bit of glue in this. I hope it works. Anyhow, let's see, people. You don't need a lot to do it either. I don't know if you could see me. Yeah, just enough to get it gag in there. I think you just slap it in one time over. Yeah, just come a bit this way. Okay, so I'm gonna use the mallet. Okay. There also comes a cap that you put over to cover it. Um, this cap is joining, but this is not closing properly. This is not closing down properly. I don't know why. I don't know why it's not closing properly. But, okay. I think you gotta put some glue in it as well. I don't think they put enough glue in these cap to do 4 rims actually, because I'm gonna try to do the 4 of them, and then take this car to the car wash. So just bear with me. Like I say, I'm my first time. Oh my god. And it's a bit wet here. Let me get a piece of cloth and clean. Try to clean it away from moisture. So this kind of hole, because I don't want the on the motorway and this has a giveaway like a, you know. Okay, so let's let that sit for some time. I hope. Okay. Seems all right there for now. Right, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna try put some air back in the tire, at least 15 psi, them say. So let's see. going to install back the valve back in the tire now. If you make sure this is proper seal from not losing air, because you don't want to be. Let me put some ignition on. See where I go now. Okay, we have some ignition. I'm doing one wheel at a time. So I want to see how this actually work. If it works. Well, I have the alloy installed, but we have to do some tapping after we finish installing the 15 psi. This is, tell me this can't fit this. Oh yeah, there's a one. No? Okay, need some more clearance. It's not enough leverage. Okay. 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 On. Do we have to turn the engine on, or because the ignition is on, but still no? Okay. So we have some ignition now. Pump it on. All right. Be back with more. So guys, yeah, I forgot to show you guys. These are the rim before. As you can see with these bits. Yeah. All of them is like this. So I'm gonna show you how it looks when it's finished without. This is without the alloy. Then I'm gonna show you after the alloy. Stay tuned. Back here, previously I'll show you when I was the rims and before, and when I was actually installing the alloyed grip. This is actually the end product. As you can see, you can no longer see the scratch, and you'll have a better view after I finish wash the car. I'm going to take the car to the wash, and yeah, this is the end product. Literally, the car is dirty, but this is the end product of both rims. Yeah, it was a bit easy doing the back one because for some reason the tires fit comfortable on the back, and the front is the same tires, but you know, some of the wheels are a bit wider than some on these modern cars that they're building. So that's what I go on. I'm gonna take it for a wash now. All right, guys. It's a new one. This one is a new one. Yeah.
Sell it?
What, the car? No.
This may be the.
Do YouTube channel. So I'm gonna stick my camera inside. It's okay, yeah? This is gonna come down, the water? No water?
From here come water.
Okay. Part of the end product. Proper wash. You can see through it. All of the rings. And this one, the back. All four of them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.